Hi friends, Rubik's Cube has become one of my favorite puzzles during this lockdown. Do you believe it? It's so much fun. Let's see. Yay! I solved it! Excited? Want to learn? I hear a big yes. I have seen many guides on it where the instructions are not working for all the use cases. I thank my father for helping me in exploring all the hidden places. So, I am going to make it easy for you too in my upcoming videos. Then why wait? So, please stay tuned, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy learning.